What's going on, everybody? Stockafella. Let me get a quick drink. Rami Z, better known as Stockafella, you guys. First time doing a video with this Zoom screen recorder capture. I was trying to figure out a way where I could put my face in it. Probably start working on my YouTube channel a little more. But today I wanted to talk about Ethereum, you guys. And right now we're having a bloody. I know I usually don't talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum on this channel, but I really want to talk about it because I might just be loading up on Ethereum pretty soon, you guys. Right now we're looking at the futures, the Ethereum futures. I just want to take you guys back. We're just gonna look at. If you don't know what Ethereum is, you guys, basically Ethereum is like the supercomputer for crypto, you guys, and then has its own like blockchain, and then Ethereum is pretty much the fuel that's going to be used with smart contracts. If nobody knows what Ethereum is, I'm thinking about doing a video about it. 'Cause I've been studying Ethereum and Bitcoin for over 10 years, you guys. Been buying a little by little, and also especially Bitcoin, but Ethereum not that much, just little by little. Over time, I've been like having more conviction over and over, like more and more conviction. Why, you guys? Because the concept of Ethereum, the smart concept, is it's really absolutely amazing to me, you guys. But let's say we look at a 5 year. Right now, we're just gonna look at that technical analysis. I'm gonna do a little technical analysis. We got back here a high of around $5,000, right? And we got a little. Let's just do a little channel right here around $1,000, right? Right now, you guys can see the cycle it's been doing, like up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, right? And then right now, if I take you guys closer, we're on a downtrend, right? On the daily. So if I show you a week, let's do a 4 hour. If I show you a 4 hour, we're right at the 200 MA, you guys. So we're right around 3,000. Now, this is my plan on your Ethereum. If 3,000 doesn't hold, I'm gonna watch this area right here to see if the 27 between 27 and 28 hold. If that holds and starts holding between that channel, I might start getting maybe one Ethereum, and then I made this bottom hidden trend channel just in case, you guys, because we do have support back here at 2,500, good support. So I'm not sure, but there is a possibility it could still get to 2,500. So I want to watch this area, maybe grab some ETH right here, and then if it doesn't bounce, let's say if it doesn't bounce and if it keeps going down, I'm gonna hopefully DCA right here. And I don't want to sound pessimistic, you guys, but it could even, I could be wrong, but it could even possibly test 2,000. Which, if you have strong conviction for the long term, it's not a bad thing. You guys could get some Ethereum. We got some real good predictions. I don't like to do too much predictions, but like Tom Lee and a bunch of good people, like a bunch of known people on Wall Street, are giving this target over 25,000, over 60,000. Some people are saying 100,000. So to me, I want to look at the technicals, and I want to give you guys my own little technical analysis. Where I see Ethereum going is bottoming. I'm not too sure. It could bottom around the 3K to 2K 25, this area right here. Let's just say from here to here we DCA. Don't matter if it goes up, I'll be DCAing right here. I'll be buying some right here. If it goes down, I'll be buying some right here. The main goal is you don't want to get in all at once because you're not sure. Like, I'm not sure where this is gonna go. It could hold this 3,000 and tomorrow start going up. The bull cycle could start. But to be a little safer, I'm gonna get some around this area hopefully. I'm just watching right now. Let's say the hourly. See how the 200 MAs right here? I really don't want to buy on like if it just collapsed to 200 MA. You really want to see a test and see if it could get above the 200 MA, which is above 3,100. So if it does that, I'll probably be getting some here. Like, that's a little confirmation, and it could still go back down and probably test 28. So my goal is to get in this area, you guys, and probably start picking up some around here, and maybe around the 25, 24. So this whole channel is a DCA area for me. Now, for the long run, I see this thing like possibly if it holds this, you guys, let's say it holds this area, you want to look at the bigger trend, you guys. Don't want to be so specific. Oh, because in the long run, you don't know where it's gonna go. But this area right here, if it holds this area, we want to see it break out above here, and then let's break this pen bigger. Let's do this one. You want to see it break above here, come back, test, and start going up like little by little. Even if like if that doesn't happen, let's say that doesn't happen, right? And it does this, right? You want to see it hold a couple times right here around the around the trend line, and come back and test the trend line, and then start coming up like this. Or it could go like this. Let me erase that. Let's do a hourly real fast so you guys can see it closer up. Because on the weekly, it looks like I'm going to zero when I do that. But yeah, let's try this. Let's say it comes here, right? Test this and starts holding this and starts reversing. That's where I'll start adding more right here, right here, right here, on the way up. Let's say it doesn't do that, right? Let's say, for example, it goes all the way back to 2000. Let's just say, for example, right? So let's just say this thing keeps collapsing and collapsing and collapsing right to 2500, and it holds the two area. As long as it starts holding the two area, you guys, let's say like this, and then starts going up, this is where I'll be picking up majority of my shares and start adding. As long as it starts going up after that, you don't want to start adding here and then it starts going down like this. So you want to be careful how you add. So if I add right here, then add right here, then add right here, or add right here, right here, my whole DCA will be a cost average around this area. But I really kind of want to make sure the 200 breaks. Like my conviction is like the 200 is gonna eventually break. I'm not sure. Like nobody's sure. If anybody tells you they're sure, they're lying to you. But let's just say eventually the 200 will break. We don't know where it's going to be at, but we have the 50 MA here and the 200 MA. So when it does break, it's going to be a good squeeze. If this thing goes 10%, we have a good like squeeze coming, let's just say. So for the long run is what I say, you guys, is what I'm doing is I'm going to be DCAing hopefully around this area right here. And hopefully my price target would like this is a long-term hold for me, you guys. So hopefully, like as long as we could clear it, 10,000. I'm not gonna be selling none as long as we go over 10K. If we go over 10K and starts holding above 10K, I'll start adding more to the position. That's just to be, I wanted to get above 10K and then stay above 10K. And let's just say it starts playing around 10K and starts playing between 8 and 10, 8 and 10, 8 and 10, 8 and 10. I'm going to start like seeing how it acts and if it's going to be a flat top breakout. So let's just say test 10, come back and test 8 and starts holding 8. I'll probably get some more around 8. You want to get in just like a stock, you guys, just like how we do stocks. Let's say this goes up like this and then it starts playing, like it creates a new channel. Let's just say this creates a new channel or a flag. You want to really get in on support, not at the top, you guys. Like just like Bitcoin, a lot of people got in at 100,000. Now they're complaining. So be careful with your Ethereum, you guys. I'm just letting you guys know what I'm doing. I hope you guys like this format a little. Just got this screen. I'm gonna set it up. It's an LG swing screen. Gonna do videos for it. This is the big chart of Ethereum, you guys. I'm not sure if it's clear yet on this. It's my first video doing it yet, but let me know, you guys. Smash that like. What's your plans with Ethereum, um, ETH, as they like to call it, and any questions, leave in the comments. I might do another video or two about stocks today. So yeah, smash that like. Do not forget, you guys. Plan the trade, trade the plan. Peace out.